hanamizuponko. I'm gonna teach you how to wear or put on clothes or items in Japanese today. Japanese has different words to describe how to wear or put on clothes. So, it's good to know. Okay, here we go. ブラジャー bra ブラジャーをつける put on a bra タンクトップ tank top タンクトップを着る wear a tank top パンツ underwear パンツを履く put on an underwear ズボン pants ズボンを履く put on pants シャツ shirt シャツを着る put on a shirt ベルト belt ベルトを締める put on a belt ネクタイ tie ネクタイを締める put on a tie 靴下 socks 靴下を履く put on socks 上着 jacket 上着を羽織る put on a jacket メガネ glasses メガネをかける put on glasses 帽子 cap 帽子をかぶる put on a cap マスク mask マスクをつける put on a mask 腕時計 watch 腕時計をつける put on a watch マフラー scarf マフラーを巻く put on a scarf 靴 shoes 靴を履く put on shoes リュックサック backpack リュックサックを背負う carry a backpack カバン bag カバンを持つ hold a bag Yeah, I know Japanese is more complicated compared to English to describe putting on clothes and items. So, I'll teach you an easy way to start remembering those. For putting on top clothes, 着る and bottom clothes or items, 履く For putting on small items, つける If you at least remember those, Japanese people will understand what you want to say. Okay, see you next time.